can celebrate Oktoberfest year-round at Busch Gardens. Grab a pretzel and beer at Das Festhaus. Test your skills with some games and relax at the perfect Bavarian beer garden. Journey deep into the Black Forest on Vervolten, a multi-launch indoor and outdoor coaster with a daring 88-foot plunge towards the Rhine River that will leave you breathless. You can also experience the mysterious grounds of Williamsburg on Dark Coaster, an indoor launch coaster that traverses through immersive lighting and sounds. If you look toward the right, you will find Alpengeist, our incredible inverted coaster. After climbing to a 195-foot alpine high, riders are hurtled through 6 staggering inversions at speeds up to 67 miles per hour.